that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not.
Hey Subbies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree here. Excuse the raspiness of my voice. I ain't gonna lie to you. You can see it in my face. You can just woke up. Yeah, but I got a package today. I got me a little package or whatever, and I wanted to share with you guys what I have purchased. So I had got these 2 wigs from Unice because I keep seeing these videos all over Instagram and all over YouTube and even Facebook, y'all. I saw one on Facebook about these wigs. So I'm like, let me go ahead and grab me one since I've been loving the Glueless lace wig. So let me go ahead and try it. They had one that was of this color. Now, if you know me and you see me, you know that I've been wearing this ginger copper bob for like the past 2 months, and I freaking love it. It's still loose, stiff wear, but I do want to switch up my style a little bit and see what else I can get into with this color before I go on to the next color. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this packaging. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really thought that I was gonna get a box, but it came in a bag. Excuse my lighting because I have to use the sun outside because I left my light. So hopefully you guys can see all of this. Hopefully you can see me and see everything really well. The sun is shifting. It's gonna go down in like maybe 2 hours or so. So we're gonna just have to do what we gotta do. Okay. So like I said, it came in a bag instead of a box. I really was expecting a box, but the bag was cute, so I'm not gonna complain too much. I did get 2 wigs, as I mentioned. I got the blonde one that you've seen in the earlier clip, and then I got the curly ginger one, which is what I was really excited for. And then in the bag, I also received a hair clip. This is Unice, a bonnet, which I think is so cute, and some goodies, a band, some wig caps, and some nails. I'm surprised to see the nails, but yeah. This is the one that we were waiting for and we were very excited about, so let's get into it. So I got it because of the color. This is straight out of the box. And look, I even requested some baby hairs. Now, because this is a glueless lace wig, it's supposed to come pre-plucked, pre-everything, and you just throw it on and you go. So we're gonna see how good of a quality it is for that. Now, I have been wearing glueless wigs for the past year or 2, I want to say, and I already know a good glueless wig is supposed to look like. So let's see if they can live up to the same standard. So this is very secure. That's one thing I must say. Okay, so this is the hair. The hair is actually really pretty. It's a lot flatter than what I thought it was gonna be. Well, it's off the first packaging, so you have to like fluff it out and style it and things like that, but so far so good. It does have that hair weave smell. That's the only thing I might say is like a con that I don't like. But let's get into the lace part. So this is the lace. It's already plucked and it's already styled for you. And then look, I'm trying to measure, trying to put it on my skin so you can see. So you would have to put some color on this lace. It doesn't come, already tinted to you, but if you can just put some makeup or spray the tinted or whatever, I think you'll be just fine. Now the wig cap itself does seem a little small for my head, I must say, but we're gonna try her on and we're gonna see how this looks. Ooh, that's nice and snug. Okay, so first impression. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. So I just have to fix it to my... Oh, you guys. Oh, I like this. Ooh, you better go get you one of these. Okay. So, all first impression. First of all, I'm really, really excited because I really, really wanted this to be this length. And I'm so glad that I chose the length properly. Now, on the website, and I'll put a little clip of that here. On the website, they have where you can see where the hair will fall. And if you have a good sense of where the hair falls on you, perfect. Look at that, guys. Let me get a close up. Do you see this? Now, if I was to color this, you wouldn't see this part of the lace. But even so, even still, look how nicely that sits. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. So let me... Then this is without a cap, guys. Without a cap, without makeup, without any of that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. And the baby hairs just sit so nicely and perfect. Oh wow. Oh yeah.
Oh yes, I like that.
I'm impressed. Unice. I'm impressed. So it's a HD wig cap, which I've never had before. That's different for me. So you would have to you put it on and you just put the makeup there, and then put a little makeup on your lace, and it's supposed to, I guess, blend out perfectly. I'm stuck. Look at that, you guys. Sold. I'm sold. That's it.
Shut up and take my money.
I don't have a mirror, so I'm sorry if I keep looking this way because I'm looking at myself in the thing, but definitely recommend, especially for those of us who don't know how to do our own hair like that and rely on these professionals to lay our lace, lay our wigs, especially for those who don't want to, us lazy girls. Okay, it's good for us lazy girls too, because if we just want to throw on a wig and go, here it is. I'll definitely post a video for you guys to see how blended this is. This is let me try to get into some. Guys, look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Each wig comes with this band so that you can strap it in the back. I didn't actually need it for that curly wig. It was really snug on my head. But if you have a smaller head, or if the wig is bigger than you and you want to strap it down so that it really doesn't move, you could definitely do that. So this is the second wig that I had got from them. Now I really got it because look how beautiful this blonde and this highlighted color is. Now I have had hair like this color. I've had it straight, I've had it even lighter, but I wanted something that I could really just throw on and give. So look at that. It's already plucked for you, already cut for you. All you gotta do is literally just put it on your head. So we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna see if she's giving what she was giving in the video.
It's just giving Beyonce,
So this. She's giving. Okay, she's giving.
Oh. Okay.
I probably should have asked for a little more of a style with this one. I don't remember if it even gave it that option, but I'm loving the color. You can definitely do what you want with this hair. It's really soft as well. It has that smell. But it's not, this one is not as strong as the curly one. As far as the lace goes, this you for sure want to put some makeup on, because you can clearly see this here. You can clearly see it. So I would definitely put some makeup, some tint, some whatever it is that you use. But other than that, I like this wig one too. So yeah, definitely good style. Let me show you guys this one in the sun. Let me try to get it. So this is a little close-up of the hair itself. But like I said, I would definitely put some makeup here so that it blends completely with your skin. But other than that, she's really pretty. Like really pretty. And I would just have to... Okay, so that's it for today's video. Let me know which one is your favorite. Which color would you get? Which style would you get? How would you style the wig? Would you leave them how they are? Would you curl them? How would you do it? I will be posting up a video of how they look actually styled and with the lace tinted and everything. I'll also be posting a video about that. This was literally just an unpackaging video, unboxing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these things straight out of the packaging. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.